Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Hmm? So, children, please take care yourself. Stay home and stay safe. Okay? Now, children, in English class, in the continuation of chapter My Elder Brother, I will tell you about different exercises of this chapter. So, I hope all of you have learned this play and try to understand it. Okay? Now, let's see, children. Here are some exercises. First of all, comprehension. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. Here, one passage is given. You have to read it thoroughly and carefully. After that, you have to find out answers of the given questions. So, just read. Oliver was a 9-year-old boy. He lived with other homeless boys in an orphanage. He was pale and thin, as were the other boys living there. This was because they had to work hard but were never given enough to eat. The owner of the orphanage, Mr. Bumble, was a cruel man and he ill treated the boys. The boys were always hungry. It was true that they were given 3 meals a day, but each meal consisted only of a bowl of watery soup. They were almost starving. Starving means they feel hungry all the time. So it was decided by them to ask the master for more soup. इसलिए वो लोग भूख लगी रहती थी तो वो मास्टर से और बोलते थे कि हमें सूप वी वांट मोर सूप बट हु वुड बेल द कैट लेकिन कौन बोलता ये बात मास्टर से क्योंकि वो तो बहुत क्रूअल आदमी था फाइनली द टास्क फेल टू ओलिवर फिर फाइनली जो ओलिवर था ना उसको बोला गया कि तुम ये काम करोगे यू हैव टू टेल कि वी वांट मोर सूप So, what happened देखो? Now see, when all the boys had assembled in the cold stone hall for their evening meal, the soup was served. It soon disappeared. The boys whispered to one another, and one boy pushed Oliver a little. जब शाम को सब लोग वहाँ पर असेंबल हुए ना स्टोन हॉल में डिनर के लिए तो फिर उन लोगों ने ओलिवर को आगे कर दिया कि तुम बोलो है ना ही पुश्ड ओलिवर अ लिटिल ओलिवर मेकिंग अ ब्रेव एफर्ट स्टूड अप वॉकड अप टू द मास्टर with his bowl and spoon in his hand and said trembling, "Please, sir, I want some more." फिर उसने पोलाइटली बोला कि सर मुझे थोड़ा सा और सूप चाहिए सो दिस इज योर पैसेज रीड इट केयरफुली एंड ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट आंसर्स फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन why did Oliver live in the orphanage? Yes, find out its answer. Oliver lived in the orphanage. Why? Tell me. Because इट इज़ अ होमलेस बॉय उसके पास घर नहीं था तभी तो ऑर्फनेज में रह रहा था पेरेंट्स नहीं थे उसके नाउ नेक्स्ट वन हु वॉज मिस्टर बुमले नाउ सी इट्स आंसर इज हियर मिस्टर बुमले वॉज अ क्रूअल मैन and he is the owner of the orphanage. He was the owner of the orphanage. You can say Mr. Bumble was owner of the orphanage and he was a cruel man. ठीक. Now, third question. What meals were the boys given? बच्चों को क्या मील दिया जाता था? A bowl of watery soup. This is the answer of this question. The boys were given a bowl of watery soup. Okay. Now, fourth question. What did Oliver say to Mr. Bumley? क्या कहा उसने? Please, sir, I want some more. Understood? So in this way, you have to find out answers from the passage. Now, children, see some more questions. Fifth one. The boy were given 3 meals a day. Then why were they always hungry? There are 3 options given. You have to choose the correct answer. So I think first one is the correct answer. Okay? Because the soup they were given was never enough. वो उन लोगों को थोड़ा सा देते थे तो always they feel hungry. So first question is correct. First answer is correct. Second क्या है? Because they worked very hard all the day long. इसलिए तो इसका correct answer नहीं है. Because the older boys drank up their soup. ये भी correct answer नहीं है. So one is the correct answer. Now see children, there are some more questions. Question 6. Find the words from the passage that means the same as very hungry. Very hungry. You have to find the same meaning word from this passage. Now see, in the passage, in second stanza, है ना? So here is a word given, hungry. So this is the same meaning. This is the same meaning of the starving. So you can write here. You can write here. Oh, sorry, beta. Sorry, beta. You have to find the same meaning of very hungry, and that is starving. See. Starving. Yes, find out where is written. It is written here. This one. Starving. Starving is the same meaning of hungry. Okay. Now see the next question. To vanish. You have to find out from para 3. Para 3. Para 3. Yes. See in your passage, para 3. Yes, disappear. Vanish का same meaning क्या होगा? Disappear. Understood? This is the meaning of vanish, disappear. You have to write here starving, and in the second one, you have to write disappear. Seventh question. All the boys assembled in the cold stone hall. Here word assembled means, what is the meaning of assembled? Moved away? No. Collected? Yes. है ना? So this is the correct answer. Collected. Now eighth one. From the word assembled, remove the last 2 letters and add 1 letter to make a word which means a time at the school when the whole school gathered. जब मॉर्निंग में आप स्कूल में जाते हैं और सब लोग बच्चे इकट्ठे होते हैं तो वहाँ पर आप लोग क्या करते हैं? यस, assembly. So you have to remove 2 words. Ed, you have to remove ed and then add 1 letter which means assembly. So we will write here Y and the word will be assembly. It means a time at the school when the whole school gathers. Okay. Now last question. Give a suitable title to the passage. Try to do it yourself. Okay. Read the passage thoroughly and find a suitable title for this. Now see the next question. Let's write. To learn means to understand or to gain knowledge. To teach means to show how or to explain. So complete the following sentences using the correct word, correct form, teach or learn. Here are different forms of given learn and teach. You have to choose the correct form of word and write it in the fill in the blanks. So see, first one, will you dash the chess? So क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? Will you teach? Will you teach? Okay. So we will write here teach. And Mr. Sharma dash class 8. Yes, find out. Mr. Sharma teaches class 8. So in this way you can write here teach. And the second one, teaches. Just wait. Teaches. Okay. Now third one, the students have dash about road safety. Yes. What you have to fill? Learned. Okay. So you will write here learn. In third one, you have to write learn. And now see fourth one. My sister has dash me how to ride a horse. So select the word, choose the word taught. My sister has taught. You have to write here taught. Okay. Now fifth one. I have some dash some of the customs of India. So you have to choose the correct word. Learn, no, learns, no, learn. You have to write here learn. So I have learned. You have to write here learn. Now last one. I dash how to cycle when I was just 4 years old. Yes. I learned. यहाँ पे भी you have to write here learn. This one. So you will write here learn. Okay. So children, you have to do it in your book. Now next one. Some more exercises. This one. See. Choose the correct word and complete the paragraph. Now, in the bracket, 2 words are given. You have to choose the correct word and complete the paragraph. All the class 5th students of our school dash where was gathering in front of the principal's office. So children, students is plural. So with plural we will write where. So we write here where. The next one, the dash where was going, they dash where was going for the inter-school race. So here also we have to write where. We have to write here where. Now, next, the bus dash arrived and they dash left for the stadium. Because you have to write all the past tense. Okay. So we will write here the bus arrived. What we will write? Arrived. Arrived. Okay. Then next, the runners were, sorry, and they leave or left. So what you will write? Left. Left. Next, the runners dash took their position. So choose the correct word. Took. We will write here took. Took. Okay. Now next one. One student of our school dash ran fast and dash came first. Choose the correct word from run and ran. Ran. So you have to write here ran fast and came first. Past tense of came is come is came. So we will write here came. Next one. Everyone dash did their best and our school dash wins the trophy. So the correct word you have to write here everyone did their best and our school won. क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? Won the trophy. Now last, everyone dash fell joyous. So क्या होगा यहाँ पर? Yes, everyone felt. What do you have to write? Felt. ठीक? So you can do it in notebook or book as you like. Now next one. Read the following sentences. Bhaiya has been studying in the same class for 2 years for a period of time. है ना? तो इसके लिए क्या आएगा? For. Munna was flying kites since morning from a time in the past till the present. मतलब since मतलब पास्ट से लेके प्रेजेंट में वो टाइम जो शो करेगा वहां पे हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? सिंस. ओके. और फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे? फॉर. नाउ यू हैव टू यूज फॉर और सिंस in these fill in the blanks. Now see first one. I have lived in the house. I have lived in this house since. You have to write here since I was baby. Since I was baby. So you have to write here since. Second, the big jar has been in our family dash many years. Yeah, you have to write for. Okay. Now third one, the old banyan tree in the village has been there dash the last 200 years. So you have to write here for last 2 years. Period of time है ना, इसलिए. Now fourth one, nobody has seen him since yesterday. You have to write here since yesterday. So children, you do it in your book and try to learn. Then I will take your class test. Okay children, bye bye. Take care and have a nice day. Bye bye.